And welcome to another Tamiya Tuesday. And welcome to another Tamiya Tuesday. And welcome to another Tamiya Tuesday. Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. Welcome to another Tamiya Tuesday, and welcome to the start of Build Off number 7. And for Build Off number 7, we're doing the Buggyra Fat Fox. Now I have fallen behind. My comical grasshopper is not painted, so I do need to get this done for Build Off number 6. Put that to bed. But I'm hoping to get that done and get started on Build Off number 7 as soon as possible. So this is a 1/14 scale RC on-road racing truck. It's similar to the MAN racing truck that you've seen out, the TT01E chassis. And this thing's ready for LEDs out of the box, and it comes with a torque-tuned motor with ESC. So let's see what's inside. Alright, so inside the box, here is the first bag with the torque-tuned motor, a bunch of hardware, got your body, the electronic speed controller, the TBLE02, and all your plastics. Actually, as you dig through the plastics here, there's another tub, and this looks like the front part of the truck. Yep, so this is the front and the bottom portion. And the second chunk of Flexan is the cab and the rear end of the truck. Here's the tub here. The wheels, which are black plastic, of course, they look like truck wheels. On-road tires, I'll take them out, get a better look at that. They feel pretty good compound. And you can see the tread pattern. Got your bag with the axles, foam bumper, and you have your directions. Now it looks like for the Buggyra Fat Fox there is a supplemental direction. Shows you specifically how to put on the parts for the Buggyra. And if I do get lights for this, it'll show you how to hook up the lights. And it looks like I'm in for a ton of stickers. My favorite. So that's about it really for the unboxing of the Buggyra. Really looking forward to getting this thing started. From everything I read and heard, the body is actually the hardest thing to put together, at least on the MAN trucks. So I'm curious to see how the body is for the Buggyra. I will also try to get this thing done as soon as I can and try to show it off for the next Tamiya Tuesday if at all possible. Of course the weather has to cooperate. And like I said, this is Build Off number 7. This is all organized by Steve OD from the 313. I'll put a link to his channel in the description. If you want to be a part of these builds, highly recommend you contact Steve OD and get yourself a kit. A lot of fun being a part of these builds, and it really brings the RC community together. So that's about it guys. If you like what you saw, please click that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day, and I'll catch you all soon. Bye for now.